Good evening and welcome to Upstate Highlight. I'm Reggie Jackson and my guest this evening is Tracy Jackson of Piedmont Care. Hi Tracy.
Hi there.
Welcome, thanks for being here. Tell us about Piedmont Care.
Piedmont Care is a very unique organization. We are serving 3 counties in South Carolina. Our target is HIV and AIDS. We're the only organization in our community that is 100% dedicated to the fight against HIV and AIDS.
So what are the services that Piedmont Care provide?
We really provide 2 classes of services. One is to the general community, and that would be HIV prevention services. So education about what HIV is and what it's not, condom distribution, free HIV testing and counseling. And then about 80% of what we do is direct services to people living with HIV and AIDS. We have about 560 clients a year. We've served more than 1,300 people with these services in our 20-year history. And those services are outpatient medical care, medications. As you probably know, medications to treat HIV are about $3,000 a month. Even people with insurance need help with that. We also provide transportation and case management, health education services, mental health services. All of those things are designed to keep a person healthy, keep them in their home, keep them working, and keep them with their families.
So why is Piedmont Care and its services that it provides essential to the community?
Well, I think we all probably know someone living with HIV, even if we don't believe that we do. It affects all of us. And also, this is a very unique issue. It's one that takes a lot of direct interventions. South Carolina is in the top 10 in the nation. As a matter of fact, we're number 10 in the nation in AIDS case rates. We often think HIV and AIDS affects other places more than it does it here at home, but it's a significant problem. And the southern states are the hardest hit by this epidemic. The epidemic here is sicker, mostly because I think lack of health insurance, education, jobs, that sort of thing. So we have a sicker epidemic here in the South.
And what's the #1 problem in the community that Piedmont Care faces?
Well, I think educating the community that HIV is a problem, that also when you talk about HIV and AIDS, and you know this, you have to talk about every taboo subject in the world: death, dying, sickness, money, gender, sex, sexuality, drug use. Well,
a lot of topics that are uncomfortable for people to talk about.
No one wants to talk about that. So really, we've been in the shadows with this.
Tracy, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
If you would like to get more information about Piedmont Care, you can visit the website, piedmontcare.org, or you can call them at 866-454-7773. Again, thank you for joining us on this evening of Upstate Highlight. I'm Reggie Jackson. We hope to join you again next time here on My 40.